This perfect free AI scalping TradingView indicator has the ability to skyrocket your win rate to the next level. All you have to do is to pay good attention as I show you how to bring up the indicator on your chart and the necessary settings that needs to be done before you can use it for your long and short position. So as you can see, guys, when the indicator prints a precise sell signal, we got a massive push of price to the downside, and a buy signal, we got a massive push of price to the upside, and a precise sell signal again, we got a massive push of price to the downside, and a buy signal at the bottom of this bullish candle right here, we got a massive push of price to the upside. It is a non-repaint indicator. With the help of this indicator, your win rate is 100% guaranteed. And quickly, before I show you how to bring up the indicator on your chart and the necessary settings you need that needs to be done, meanwhile, before we move on, in case you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified anytime I drop a new video. And please, guys, don't forget to like this video before you leave. So right now, let me quickly show you how to bring up the indicator on your chart. Now, to bring up the indicator on your chart, all you have to do is to head over to the indicator, click on indicators. In the indicators, you click on technicals. Okay, so when you've done that, you type in RSI space stop. Okay, so when you've typed that, you can see RSI stops to JD, as you can see right here. So this is the indicator of favorite mine. You can choose to do the same if you wish to. So when you have seen this indicator, the next thing to do is you just tap on it once. You tap on it once, automatically it will appear on your chart. Okay, so when you've done that, you head back to your chart. Okay, so you can see the indicator right here. You can see everything has appeared on our chart right now, but we still need to do some necessary settings. So necessary settings still need to be done before we can make use of this indicator. So to set it up, we have to head over to the indicator, click on it, then click on the settings. First of all, click on input. You can see everything has been set up here in the input. There is no need of you touching anything right here. So you click on the star. On the star, you can see that everything here has been set up, but we need to uncheck. In case your plot is checked, you unchecked it. Then this shape you are seeing right here, make sure the two shapes are checked. Then this you can choose to change the shape of the indicators if you wish. So I'll be using cycle. Okay, I'll change mine to cycle. So after you've done that, you change the color. You can change the color. So I'll be using the bullish, the buy signal. The buy signal, I'll be using the blue. I'll be using blue color for it. While the sell signal, I'll be using yellow color for it. Okay, so you can see everything has appeared, has been set up the way I want. Okay, so after you've done that, you scroll to the bottom a little. You still have more thing to do. So you scroll to the bottom, you uncheck this bar color right here. You uncheck the bar color, then you click on OK. So as you can see, the indicator is good to go. As you can see, it is a non-repaint indicator, like I said before. So this is how you can bring up the indicator on your chart and the necessary settings that needs to be done before you can make use of the indicator. So to take a buy trade or a long position, first of all, we'll have to wait for the price of the asset to trade into this map out liquidation price point area. Remember, whenever a price gets to this zone right here, we are likely to get a rejection of price to the upside. Now I want you guys to pay close attention to these two zones right here, because this serves as two important zones while trading. This zone right here, which serves as the supply zone, which can also be called the resistance zone, and this always serves as the demand zone, which also serves which can also be called the support zone. So whenever the price get to this zone, these two zones right here, see that we got a rejection of price to the upside or to the downside. So right now, guys, we have mapped out our liquidation price point area right now. So it's for we to wait for the price of the asset to trade into the zone right here, into the demand zone, for we to get a buy signal to enter our long position right now. So we are now waiting for the indicator for the price of the asset to trade into our map out demand zone for we to get a buy signal or a long position, for we to enter a long position. Okay, As you can see, the price has traded into the demand zone already, but we are now waiting for a buy signal before we could enter a long position. So as you can see, guys, we just got a buy signal. The indicator just printed a buy signal, which means we can now enter a long position. But first of all, before we enter a long position, we first of all need to set up our take profit target areas. Okay, so right now, guys, I'll be setting up my take profit target 1 at this, from this zone right here. I'll be using this zone as my take profit target 1. Okay, so I have to drag this here. Okay, so this will serve as my take profit target 1, then and this as my take profit target 2. Okay, so I have to change the color to green for me to understand it more better. So you can see this is my take profit target 1 and this my take profit target 2. Now that we have mapped out our take profit target area, it is now time for me to enter a long position. So I'll be entering my long position from here. Then I'll drag this to my take profit target 2. Okay, so we are good to go now. So it's for we to wait for our take profit target areas to get hit before we could enter a short position right now, guys. So fingers crossed. Let's watch how the price of the assets is gonna move. As you can see, our take profit target 1 got hit and our take profit target 2 also got hit, as you can see right here. So the price is now consolidating between our take profit target 1 and take profit target 2 right now, as you can see, guys. So what we are waiting for now is for the indicator to print a sell signal, which means that we can enter a short position. So as you can see, our 2 take profit target areas got hit and we got a price the price consolidate for a while before it printed a sell signal, which means we can now enter our short position. Okay, now to enter a sell trade or a short position, first of all, let's map out our take profit target areas real quick, which I'll be using this as my take profit target 1. Okay, so this will serve as my take profit target 1 area, and this as my take profit target 2. So we are good to go now. Now let's enter our short position. Okay, now that we have entered a short position, let's wait for the price of the asset to get our take profit target areas hit real quick. Okay, so as you can see, our take profit target 1 just got hit and the price is consolidating between the take profit target 1 and take profit target 2 at the moment, as you can see right here. So this is how you can use this indicator for a long and short position while trading.